Shutoff valves, or stop valves, come in a variety of combinations for connecting water supply lines to your fixtures. Here's a list of supplies you'll need to install new shutoff valves. After turning off the main water supply into the home, open the faucet to drain the line. Then, cut the old supply line, leaving enough space between the escutcheon plate and the cut to allow installation of the new fitting. Now, slide the compression nut over the supply pipe as far back as you can to give yourself room to work. Then, deburr the pipe with an emery cloth to remove any rough edges. Next, place the compression ring over the end of the supply pipe. Then, slide the new valve squarely and snugly over the ring and thread it onto the nut, tightening by hand. To finish tightening the nut, use one wrench to hold back the valve while keeping it square. Use your second wrench to turn the nut. Now, follow the same process to attach and tighten the existing supply lines from the fixture to the new valves. Finally, after turning the main water supply back on, open the new valves. After turning on the faucet to clear the air from the lines, check your new valves for leaks.